now, here's where we're at, Highway 123. So we're gonna go up here and cut through here. And then we're gonna cut down this trail to same highway and go over the historic bridge and go to Johnson 5881 to Car Wash Falls. We still got a little bit to go. Juicy, what do you think about the Big Piney District?
Oh, I love it over here. It's so
I
pretty.
do too.
And it's maybe because we don't ever come over here. I'm not sure.
Yeah. So do we live in the Pleasant Hill or the Boston Mountains?
I think Boston Mountain.
The Ozarks are like sections. And this is the Big Piney District. We don't get over here very often because it takes half the day to get here by
Long ways.
side by side. Normally we get a cabin over here and then drive over here.
Yeah.
Alright, here's our turn. This is a cute road. Got some good views.
Opening the fly.
Right up here. Ooh. Right up there.
So I might be able to take off.
You don't want to hike up there?
No.
Then you could video it with the GoPro.
Yeah, not gonna happen.
All right. Well, we got some drone shots of the Sphinx. Can't see it too good from down here. There it is. It was
No passenger.
catching flies. There it is. It's way easier to fly over there. It's a long way up there.
Yes.
We would have been huffing and puffing.
I wouldn't.
But you can hike up there.
I wouldn't have made it in my Crocs.
No. Check out these views. Normally you wouldn't be able to see through there, but kind of see. There is a lot of rock
There you go.
outcrops.
Big cliffs up there.
Yeah. So we're heading towards this trail. We haven't been on that for a minute. No idea if it's passable. Hopefully. We've been having good luck so far today.
Yeah, not bad.
Alright, looks like we made it here. There's obviously no trail marker or road sign. That's why you need a map. Right, DC?
Yeah. We'll use it this time.
Juicy had to look at the map.
Oh my god!
It's been a while. And this one has no markings.
This one, no? Is it off limits?
No, it's legal. Alright, we found the trail. Heck yeah. Good job, Juicy. You did have to look at the map.
I did it a little bit.
It'll be fine.
Just to clarify, I don't want to do any backtracking.
It'll be fine. Well, it's like a little cut through to get down to the highway. Not be so much dirt road.
I think there's a waterfall down here.
Yeah, there is. let you know a trail rating at the end. Can't quite remember. We kind of blazed through here. We've only been on this trail once, and we went really fast through it.
Yeah, and the group we were following, they were going really, really fast.
Yeah.
And we were really new with the KRX.
Yeah, we were on a mission for sure. Something where we were nervous because we had a brand new machine.
That could be too.
Because we were still breaking it in.
Yeah.
This was our break-in ride.
Yeah.
150 miles.
Actually, that day we ended up at 170.
Something like that. Something insane. We had to actually leave the group. We're like, sorry, we have to go.
Yeah, we had to dip out. We're like, well, gotta get back.
They were doing a 12-hour ride.
We could only do a 10.
Yeah. Maybe two. So we got a Y here. Seeing which is the lesser of two evils. We're about halfway down the trail. Juice is walking it out like a good little trail boss. Which is the way, do you say?
Left.
What's the other way?
Big ledge.
Oh, okay. And this is the bypass?
I guess. That way's doable.
Spicier?
Definitely spicier.
Just a little spicy spot, not bad. Might be different climbing it. Are we going up this way?
What's that?
Are we going back this way?
Nope.
Oh. There's a pretty little creek down here. Oh, that's cute. Wasn't expecting that.
Now you might want to record.
little creek down here. Oh, so pretty. Crystal clear water. Oh my God, I kind of need to change my battery anyway.
You change it?
Yeah. It's yeller.
Right rail.
Alright, that trail was cute.
I thought it was great.
Very pretty at the end, for sure. Crossed the creek a few times. Pretty little creek spot. Waterfalls right by the road. You can really only see it from the trail unless you hike down there. Pretty back here though.
Man, it sure is.
There was a big old tree in that mud hole. That's why it was so weird.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully it made for good.
That's why it kind of caught you.
Like the waterfall.
Maybe. It says it's at the end by the road.
I thought there was one halfway down too. Yeah, there it is.
Oh.
We're like right over it.
Oh, no name one.
Definitely a heavily run trail.
Yeah. Pretty. Like that's cute. Very pretty. Pretty creek. More mud holes. Oh. Ooh. This is a sign you chose?
Yep.
Ah, not bad. It looked more scary than what
Boy,
it
it
was.
sure did. There's a rock up there.
Oh yeah. Ooh, watch it. There's a dip down. It's a dip. Might be a waterfall right there if it was wet. Yeah, can you imagine in wet season how pretty this is?
Because you know it's just coming off
Oh
all
yeah,
these
we
floods.
need to come back here in the spring for sure. Tree down. Clean up, aisle 9. It's a camping spot. You can camp here for free
Yeah.
if you want. Be right by this beautiful creek.
I think this is another little waterfall.
No.
No?
Nope. It's at the end. Man, there's some heavy trees down here. This week. Tight like a tigger.
Man.
Oh. Cambery. Oh yeah, look at the rock piles and the random
Some over there.
Nowheresville. Telling you, Indian burial grounds
Burial mounds.
or Trail of Tears, right?
Yep.
Aren't we like around that area?
I think so.
Maybe not. I'm not sure. I'm just talking out of my rear. If you know, let me know. If you know what those mean, let me know. I have no idea. I'm just making stuff up. I'm not a historian
We tried.
yet.
but
There's a rock-eating tree. That's pretty. Still not even quite through this trail yet. The bottom's the most beautiful spot. Ooh. photographs, taking in the beautiful scenery. Stay on the road, Juicy. Watch where you're going.
I was just betting on whether to stop there or not.
Holy moly. No, we got way too many buckets. How are we doing on time?
2:30?
2:30.
Should be good.
Yeah, we should be good. So this road goes to the Car Wash Falls. It is Johnson County Road 5881. Beautiful road. One of my faves.
Yeah, it's really pretty. Especially when you get up past the falls.
Yeah. Wasn't going great, but it was going. Pretty cool. They did change the road quite a bit.
Yeah.
Juice is gonna mark this for you on the Onyx. Got a little drippage on our windshield from it. Sure makes you feel small when you're right next to this big old rock. It's always like really cold water too, right here. You can just feel the coldness coming off the rock. It's pretty cool. Beautiful road. Highly recommend it. Even when it's not like high water. Still pretty. And it freezes too. Probably 4 hours.
Probably 4 hours
to get here from Combs. I would say we did a slowish pace today.
Yeah, I would agree.
We could have went faster and probably did it in 3 hours, I bet.
Yeah.
they did kind of change it,
Yes.
but it's still tight AF.
Looked like maybe the bank had washed out and they tried to fix it.
This is a single lane road and it gets kind of busy because it's on the 008T.
Yeah.
So a lot of people come down this road, but it's, as you can see, it's a single lane road. So here comes someone right now. So you have to meander your way around each other. Beautiful road, beautiful road. If you're ever in Arkansas, I highly recommend you making the trip to this road.
Yes.
Johnson County, Arkansas. Big Piney District. I wanted to move here, but Juicy wouldn't let me.
Ain't nothing out here.
There's nowhere to work.
Nowhere to work. Nowhere to afford.
That's what makes it so amazing.
No way to afford what we want to do.
Yeah. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at this beautiful Big Piney here. It's a beautiful spot. Yeah. There's normally more of a bank here. This kind of changed. This would be a good swimming hole. Yeah, it's beautiful. Nice and clear. Oh, look at these views. We're just winding back up the mountain here. We got a long haul, guys. Why is that? flag car. Well, Jizzy.
What a day, what a
Look,
day.
it's dark. It's
really
night-night
dark.
time.
It's really dark. It's almost 6.
Yeah. We got started early, left home at 8. We're getting back home
About 7.
about 7. That's a good half day of riding.
Good half day. Great time today. Did
Yeah.
127 miles.
Woo! That's just
All the way to
the track.
Bub's cabin, and then over to Car Wash Falls. Few trails in between, but good time.
What was your favorite part about today's ride, buddy?
Bub's cabin, the whole trail getting there is
Oh yeah, that's fun.
definitely one of my favorites. I enjoyed the one trail this morning coming down from off 5051 there.
Yeah, that was really
down to the
pretty.
creek, it's
All the
always
beach
pretty
trees,
down there.
especially in the winter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought the whole ride was pretty
Yes,
epic.
Pretty damn good.
Great way to send 2025 out with a bang.
That's right.
Yeah, we
That's
enjoyed.
right.
It felt like almost 80-degree weather.
Yeah, and it's still pretty warm out.
Yeah.
Not cold in my shorts.
Brenda said she thought she got a sunburn. Who gets a sunburn 2 days after Christmas?
Well, you know.
Well, I mean, unless you live like in Florida or something.
But not around here.
Yeah. All right, Juicy.
Great time today.
Yeah.
Hope everybody enjoys the video.
Yeah, what else?
Time to go home, kick the dogs, and wind down.
Yeah, time to clock out.
That's right.
Yeah, what do you say? Do you say?
Always an adventure. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, we appreciate y'all.
Absolutely.
See you on the next one.
Till next time.
Yep.
Later.
Bye.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Got a Kawasaki Terex 4 Blackout Edition. Got it over in Oklahoma last weekend.
It sound right, boys.